Hello, how is everyone? I am home. As you can see, I'm home. Just got in not too long ago. Not sure when this is uploading, but this is pre-recorded. And we are working on the Hen House, which is a pre-cut quilt. It will look like this by the Fabric Cut. There'll be links below. And here it is, the block. And this is block of the month. Remember, it's 6 months and we're just going along. And this is month 2 and it's frame blocks. So we're gonna go ahead. We have a pile of blocks here and a pile here. And I have a pile that, believe it or not, I have started. So let's go ahead. So we're gonna open this up. And remember, I have one to pass forward to you all once we get this all done. And here we are. We're going to open this up. Look how beautiful. This will tell me everything. And then the directions, if I want to make this again, is right here. So what we need to do is, what I did is I went ahead and, as you can see, I made 3 blocks going across. So we are going to follow the directions and come in here, set my machine up, come on down, and here we go. And again, to just come across. It tells you exactly what to do. So I am going to come across here and sew this again, coming right across. Probably do not have to have this so. Now I have those 2 pieces. I'm going to come in. I decided, let's see what this tells us to do. It doesn't tell a press. Oh, here. Sew them in a row and press seams to the right. Repeat to make 16 of those. Okay, so we haven't done that yet. We haven't gotten that far yet. So everything to the right. See, it tells you exactly what we're doing. That's to the right and that's to the right. All right. So now we are going to add 2 more of these black blocks. And you know what? I just realized you're not seeing exactly what I'm doing. I apologize for that. So we're going to take these black blocks. We're going to get them right in. And I'm telling you, the directions are so very clear. So we have that. And we have this. And then I'm going to put another black block on the other side. And another one. So we have a big black square, and then we have the 3 rectangles. Shows you exactly how to do it. And I'm going to show you too how we're going to do it. Now remember, it said to press your seams to the right, and then you're going to do all those units. So it goes to the right, and this one goes to the right. So now we have them all to the right. And there we are. So we have these units. They look like that. Then you're going to make your 3-unit set, and I have those all made right here. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take our center block here, which is our white, and we are going to put and sew the 3. And look at that, matches perfectly. We are just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do the other side. Put that on there. Again, matching beautifully. And when we do that, we are going to press the seams to the left. So here we are. We are going to press them to the left, my left. And here we go. And now we have ours here that we press to the right. And therefore, by doing that, everything will interlock, or as some people say, nest. Some will nest. And I'm going to pin straight across. And then I'm going to come here on this side, and let's see, there we are, pin and nest. And that's how it should look. So we have the back that looks like this. And then we are ready to sew. Again, we're coming in here. The measurements say scant 1/4 inch. I think I have like itchies on my eyes. I think some of these threads have, I mean, these are pre-cuts, so. And now we'll do the other side. So it looks like this. So what we're going to do is, once we have this, it says that we are going to nest the seams. Yes, we've done that, and we are just going to press it. So I've decided I'm going to press, because it doesn't really say, but I'm going to press towards this square. I think it'll lay flatter that way. Here it is. So you will be making this you will be making that block of a total. The total is on here exactly of how many of those you're going to make. So I have most of my parts ready to go. I will be finishing these up. When you see me next time, these will be completed and we will go to month 3. How exciting. So again, if you like, go to the fabric hut. The pattern is called Hen House. I did get a request if the pattern is sold separately. I will find out. I actually do not know the answer to that. Don't forget that the blades, the link to the rotary blades will be linked down below too. Those are $37.50, I think. Let's see. I don't have it right in front of me, but they're a good deal. $37.50, yes, for 10 blades. They look like, they come like this. So check that out too. So everyone, take care of yourself. Have a wonderful day. Pass it forward. And if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Take care. Bye.